Hello, Ryan Colcord here, your rent-to-own realtor with Marples and Associates, showing agent for the Marples property management team. I want to invite you to our home ownership goals workshop coming up soon. Click in the link below to RSVP. If you can't make it in person, we'll send you a Zoom link, but you need to register. I am here at 2490 Ponte, Mira Way in Tracy. It says way, but it's actually a court. Seeing a little bit of an extra large lot here. Let's go check it out. So you walk in, you got your dining living room here. And you come into the family room and kitchen. Very nice, clean. And here you got your laundry room. You got your guest bath here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Come on into the kitchen. Very open. It looks like quartz countertop here. Get your eating area. Again, just wide open space in here. You got your 2-car garage. Stainless steel appliances and stainless steel and black oven. Your yard here. You got a little dog run. Apologize, I can't look at the other side of the yard. Just gonna have to come check it out because I took my shoes off. Nice little dog run there. Looks like a newer fence. And if you come on up the stairs, that 1-bedroom here. And you got the primary here. Double doors. It's very nice. Large walk-in closet. See, I'm walking in here. You got your bath. Double sink. No tub. Then you got another full bath here. Shower over tub. And bedroom 3. This room's large. I mean, this is almost primary size. And there you have it, 2490 Ponte Mira Way in Tracy. Contact me to schedule a showing. Better yet, contact me to set up a free conversation with our lender and get you pre-qualified and get you into your own home. Stop paying rent. Have a great day.